Click on the link below to get price. The 1500W Motor Ebike for adults is an impressive entry in the electric bike market, particularly for those seeking a powerful and efficient ride. With a robust 1500W motor, this e-bike offers remarkable acceleration and hill climbing capabilities, making it perfect for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. The motor's performance is noticeably superior, effortlessly handling inclines that would challenge traditional bicycles. Equipped with a 48V 17.5Ah battery, the 840Wh capacity provides substantial range and longevity. Depending on riding conditions and assistance levels, riders can expect anywhere from 30 to 50 miles on a single charge, which is quite commendable. The battery charges relatively quickly, allowing for minimal downtime between rides. This means you can easily tackle your daily commute or a weekend excursion without the anxiety of running out of power. One standout feature is the bike's robust frame and suspension system, which ensure a smooth riding experience even on uneven terrain. The adjustable front suspension absorbs shocks effectively, enhancing comfort on bumpy roads. Additionally, the ergonomic design, with a height-adjustable seat and comfortable handlebars, caters to a range of rider heights, making it accessible for most adults. The bike also includes high-quality disc brakes that provide reliable stopping power, a crucial feature for safety, especially at higher speeds. The bright LED lights enhance visibility during nighttime rides, ensuring that you can ride safely regardless of the time of day. The integrated LCD display is a user-friendly addition, providing essential information like speed, battery life, and distance traveled. This feature is not only convenient but also helps you manage your ride more effectively. Overall, the 1500W Motor Ebike for adults combines power, comfort, and safety in a stylish package. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring trails, this e-bike delivers an exhilarating experience that exceeds expectations. It's a solid investment for anyone looking to embrace the world of electric biking.